concerned about what's coming behind. Man, fucking crazy amount of water in a short time. Banco, Virginia, Madison County. Amazing.